Section 3.4, example 5, using a table to evaluate a composite function. Using the table below, evaluate f of g of 3 and g of f of 3. So let's start with that first one, f of g of 3. In order to compute, we have to work with the inside and move our way outward. So here, let's start with this inside function, g of 3. So what we're looking at is the function g of x evaluated at 3. So coming down here, we're going to find 3. And I see it right here. So g of 3, we move over to the g, not this one. We move over to the g. And it looks like it's going to be this one. G of x evaluated at 3 is going to give us 2. So let's write that down over here. We just found that g of 3 is equal to 2. So now we could grab this information and input it into this function here. We have f of, we just found out that g of 3 is equal to 2. So we could input this 2 here and do something similar to find out where we are, where f is equal to 2, or where f is as x equals 2. So x equals 2, I found it right here. And we come over here to f of x. It looks like it's right here. So now we have f of 2 is equal to our f of x here, evaluated at 2. It is 8. And now we grab this information and put it right over here. F of 2 is equal to 8. And that's it here. So we would say f of g of 3 is equal to 8. And there's that computation. Now let's look at the other question they were asking. G of f of 3, is it going to give us the exact same solution? Possibly, but chances are no. So g of f of 3 So starting off with the inside function, working our way outward. F of 3, so we're going to look for 1, 2, 3. And we're looking at the function f of x. So for f of x, come over here and we end up with 3. So we're looking at f of 3 is equal to 3. The function f evaluated at 3 is equal to 3. And we know that we could plug it in here. F of 3 is 3. So we say that g of 3 is what we're looking for now. So coming right back here, 1, 2, 3. And our function g of x this time is what we're looking for. Evaluated here at g of x. And it's this one right here, 2. So g of 3 is equal to 2. G of 3 equals 2. G of 3 is what we're looking for. That one's equal to 2. So this part here is equal to 2. And we could complete it by just restating the fact g of f of 3 equals 2. And that's our solution. So working from the inside out when we compute these is going to be the easiest way to solve them. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.